Scantless.
What's good, everybody? Feeling good? That's that party record right there. You know what I'm saying? Man, I keep doing this shit again and again. I ain't coming anything less than in 2021. I'm not fucking playing with you. I ain't come here to play games. So, I'm about to go over and break down what I did. Let's talk this record out now. Let me show you what I did. So, you can see in the title right here. So this beat started off as a beat for BeatStars. And started working with it, and I'm like, nah. So let me show you what I first had. So for the drums, let me just show you a little bit of what I did. I play everything out, man. I come up with everything I do comes from a blank canvas. So I made my own drum kit, or designed my own drum kit, custom or handpicked all my sounds. And then I played it out, which gave us this pattern. And then I added a tambourine in it. Tambourine. Then I used the Yang Quinn again. And I'm gonna show you guys this shit, cause some people might start to think I'll be making this shit, but your boy be getting down. Alright, here we go. So I got Contact pulled up. Let's go into this. So in Contact, I got a few things in here, but I only end up using the Yang Quinn this time, and then here is the melody. And this does play in the melody too, all this. I just had it muted because I sampled it out to different sections. So that's that. And then I sampled it to this. This is our sample we got. And then we got a bass line from Nexus. So I pulled up Nexus. I used... Oh, I changed it. It's an E bass. This. Together you got this. Then I added this pad. Same melody. Actually in that section though. And then what you hear, that doo 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 doo, that's the Yang Quinn. The first one I showed. So let's go to the start, and I just dropped some vocals. So I'm about to show you these vocals dry, then show you these vocals with some jazz on it. So let me go the effects. So this is what I laid for a hook. Check this out.
Scantless.
All my life, vibing up.
That's the hook. It's a little low right now because all the plugins are taking off. And so I have 2 takes, then I got 2 backups, what we call stacks, stacking certain parts with a little bit of character. And then if I go into here, so in my Apollo, this is what I have on my master bus in my Apollo. We got a LA2A, a UA610B, and then we have Legacy, or Pull Tech Legacy. Same as a Pug Tech. They just call it Pull Tech. So that's on my, this is what's being printed. Like right now when I'm talking, this is what's on here. This prints solid, like there's no going back and changing. I got that shit dialed in. Then after I record, this is on my master bus. So I got a FL EQ, I got a de-esser, and these are my settings. What you're seeing here, right here, this is my settings from my last song that I did, and I saved the vocal chain, the presets. Then I got this Renaissance from Waves. This is dope. I use this on everything. Just by bringing this threshold down right here just a little bit, it brings all the nuances of whatever the sound is. It brings it out. The brightness, the dark, the mids, whatever. It just brings it out. It's fucking phenomenal. Then I got a L1 Waves limiter. And I'm doing multiple layers of compression. I got this C6 set, multi-band compressor, and then the L3. And these are not even dialed in solid yet. They're just rough perimeters. All my parameters. And so now on this one, my 2 masters. So these 2 hooks right here. These 2 takes, 1 and 2. I got this little altar boy up. I caught on to this from watching Russ do his tutorials on his videos. Shout out to Russ, man. Fucking goating this shit. Fucking up the game. Y'all don't even know yet. But y'all gonna learn. That boy gets some serious paper. So little altar boy, right? I got this one set to 2.4 on the high on the pitch, and then 2.4 on this. A little bit of drive, and a little about 80%, 70% on the wet dry mix. And now this is what we got that a rough mix. So let's run it through and hear what it sounds like with that mix. Check it out. Rock with me.
Scantless. All my life I've been through the worst of ways. I've been hated, I've been judged. They gon' tell you you ain't shit. All my life I've been through the worst of ways. I've been hated, I've been judged. They gon' tell you you ain't shit.
Said I ain't playing games in 2021. I'm only coming with heat. No subpar, no bar fillers, straight bar killers. And that's a bar out of one of my songs. Anybody out there that's still working and building on your craft and getting better, you at it. Like I said, I was producing 15 years before I got to where I'm at now. And 5 years ago, I was kind of trash production-wise. Like, my mixes and shit. That's another thing, learning how to mix and shit. Like, I know some people just slap their shit together, but you take time and effort into anything, it'll show whatever it is. But it's your boy D. I'm out of here, man. To the next one, holler at your boy. Go check out Scantless.com. Window shopping.